it's Bess. This video is about Live2D Glue. We're just gonna get right into it. So once you have your draw order completed, then we can auto mesh the non-mouth related things. So anything with the head or the inner mouth, we're just gonna auto mesh. And from here, let's grab our lip lines, bottom lip line, and we're gonna add them to our open parameter. In general, you only have to add the lip lines, not the lipstick, skin, or shine to the parameters. Because of the glue, they'll move automatically with the lip line. And in the deformer, we're gonna select all of the top related items. So there's 3: skin, lipstick, and lip line. We're gonna go to mesh, manual mesh edit. We're going to click tool details, the eraser, erase these small vertices. And then we're going to manually plot all of these vertices, and then we're going to hit that auto connect button. It's up to you if you want to add more plot points around the line. That's the most important part. So now's the time for actual gluing. Let's select that skin and the lip line. Go back to manual mesh edit. We're gonna grab our lasso tool, select everything, hit the bind button. You'll know that it was applied when the outline of the vertices turns green. Hit the check mark. Now we have this glue here. I'm gonna hit that glue button and then click on the little yellow tab that popped up. Turn it red. Sometimes it turns green. So to switch it to the opposite color, hold shift and just paint over. I don't know why it switches like that, but it did happen to me. So we're currently on the red little glue weight A. Let's go to B. We're gonna do the same thing, except see how it paints green? We're gonna hold shift so it paints red. Don't use A and B. I have never had success with that. So let's go back to here. Now it's time to test, so I'm just gonna drag some points on here. And it's already merged, keyformed. It's already keyformed, so we're just gonna move that up, and look at that, the glue works. One last thing, when you're ready to apply the lipstick to the lip line, just do the same thing. Select the lipstick, the lip line, go back to the manual mesh edit, select, bind, check mark, glue, and while it's selected, we're going to paint it red. We're on B, let's check A, paint it red. Let's check the parameter. It's not perfect, and it does require a little bit of fine tuning with the art mesh and the placement of the vertices. But that's how you use glue. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.